Welcome to Varcity channel. I can still redeem myself.
It's about participation. Why do you participate?
I'm done.
Right now.
Hi guys, I'm Abby, Abigail, Abby, they're all my names. Turning 21 this year in the next few weeks. I'm a model. Yeah, that is me. Welcome to Varcity channel. To go bowling. Change to addition
Goal. It's like goal.
1, 2, 3. Kama kasmall ndo kanafanya kazi, so tumeshindwa kuingiza si wawili. Acha tujaribu round 2. Tujaribu round 2. Baby, come. Come on. I go. Yo.
Hi guys, my name is Neil. 19, turning 20 this year in Nairobi. A fun fact about me is I don't like clubbing anymore, guys. I think we should learn how to love our homes and stable. Hashtag put down the alcohol, guys. I used to play defensive but not aggressive because defense wins games but offense wins championships. So yeah, all out defense. Brian is getting points. I turned off for like 2 rounds, but I'm back. The ability to manipulate time, so I can go back and pass all the exams I should have passed. and then also to go in front of time and get what I need to get, then come back and then you cook. I feel like as much as everyone prioritizes communication, like even like not even relationship, like even as friends, I really suck at it. Yeah.
My name is Brian. It's Muslim. 6 years of age, and it's nice to live here. I've been bowling. I love bowling. It's my favorite activity.
I'm a business owner. I do sell jewelry. My official page is Zaza's Atelier. I do sell online. I do deliver. It's free in CBD.
Hi, my name is Roberta. I'm 20 years. I live in Nairobi. One fact about me is that I'm shy, but I talk a lot. I'm really having fun. 10 out of 10. But I'm so horrible at the game. Yeah. I'd like to be invisible. I say that I'm shy. So yeah. I am good at art, and I'd like to like one day show the world of my art, but I'm bad at expressing.